In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your color in C's Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, some abilities in C's Battlegrounds, like Hawk Gatling or Luffy, have these colors here, so red and black for example. Now, there's actually a way for you to change the color of your hockey and the color of these abilities in the game. You don't have to download any additional programs, and all that you have to do is go over here into the store. Now, sadly, you will only be able to do this if you use Robux. I just wanted to make that very clear. In here, you can find a lot of customization, so you have extra emote slots, accessory slots, moves, voice lines, kill sounds, and finally, what we're looking for, hockey change, move color change. So by using 299 Robux, you will be able to change your hockey color. Now, sadly, I won't be able to demonstrate this on this video because you can clearly tell I am a newbie and I don't have Robux on me, but if you do, you will be able to purchase that option and you will be able to customize your hockey by going over here into the customization option and selecting it from here. Like I said, because I don't have the option to do so, I won't be able to demonstrate, but the functionality is simple. You will then be able to choose the option to change the color, and it is going to apply for any abilities that you use in C's Battlegrounds as any character. So Luffy is going to have a lot of abilities with different colors, and of course you will be able to change them from this default red. Every time that you use them, the new color will be displayed instead, and it is overall a very fun thing to do. So just go over here into the store, look for Move Color Change, purchase this for 299 Robux, and you will be able to get this done. You can also find plenty of other options here related to customization, such as the extra emote slots, customization slots, and so on, and you will be able to do this by purchasing it from the shop. I hope I was able to help you on how to change your color in C's Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.